Can you imagine a sequoia so massive it takes 2 days to cut down? Sadly, that's what happened in Alder Creek Grove. The tree is burned, so Tulare County made the tough call to remove it. It's a reminder of the devastating power of wildfires.
Wow.
Whoa, this lumberjill has me completely captivated. The contrast between her delicate figure and the massive tree she's felling is just breathtaking. Guys, you have to see this. The Savannah model, 1720, is insane. 20 to 40 acres a day, with minimal equipment. I'm still buzzing from seeing it. Seriously, watch the video. You won't believe your eyes. This Unimog U2100 is like a honey badger on wheels. It doesn't back down from anything and is ready to rumble, even if the odds are stacked against it. Seriously, this is the most badass truck I've ever seen. Video. You won't believe your eyes. Tree removal is a complex operation that demands expertise and specialized equipment. A lack of proper preparation can lead to serious injury or property damage. Wow, I'm totally impressed by the bulldozer driver. He's got mad skills and nerves of steel. The calm he maintains in this chaotic scene is simply superhuman. That's insane. That tree looks like something out of a nightmare. The way it leans, the uneven ground. He must be incredibly skilled and brave to take on a job like that. I'm seriously impressed. While sawing a 100-year-old ash tree, these people stumbled upon an unexpected surprise. I'm not sure what it is. Do you guys have any idea? Let me know in the comments below. Welcome to the heart of the Vosges, where nature's grandeur meets human determination. In this captivating video, witness the extraordinary journey of lumber as it's transported through a landscape that's as breathtaking as it is unforgiving. Get ready to be inspired by the courage and resilience of those who work in harmony with this majestic environment. Ever seen a machine conquer the wilderness like a hero? That's the Ecolog 590D for you. And its partner, the Tesla 28RH, handles wood like a sculptor. Together, they're a dream team, boosting efficiency and saving fuel. The 590D's price tag is hefty, between $79,474 and $292,507, while the 28RH is a bit kinder to your wallet, at $50,000 to $70,000. Impressive, right? Get ready to be amazed. The Vakava Kanto Pilkari is here to revolutionize your land clearing projects. This Finnish-engineered stump remover is a game changer. It effortlessly extracts stumps and then splits them like it's no big deal. Say goodbye to backbreaking labor and hello to efficiency. Built to last and designed to impress, this tool is a must-have for any landscaping enthusiast. Hard stopping. That was a close shave, a brush with disaster. Thank heavens his safety gear kicked in. These situations are unpredictable, lurking dangers we can't foresee. Talk about a plot twist. 1 minute, the LKT-81 turbo's in control. The next, it's hanging by a thread. Nature's got a wicked sense of humor. Don't get complacent out there. A symphony of awe and adrenaline, wouldn't you agree? Those colossal logs, precariously balanced on a behemoth truck, navigating a treacherous ballet on winding, slippery, narrow dirt roads. It's a scene that ignites the senses. Talk about determination. Tree stumps are notorious for being a pain in the neck when you're trying to clear land. They're practically difficult to remove by hand. But this guy, he wasn't about to let a stubborn stump get the best of him. Armed with his trusty Toyota Hilux and a winch, he tackled the task head-on, and the results were nothing short of spectacular. From forest to masterpiece, the Wood-Mizer MP100 log planer empowers your creativity. Plane and shape logs up to 16 inches in diameter, turning rough timber into stunning structural elements. With a price tag of $10,000 to $15,000, it's an investment in your passion. Are you ready to build your dreams? Get ready for an exciting journey as we uncover the secrets behind turning majestic conifers into the incredible plywood. These massive logs, stripped bare, are about to be magically transformed into thin, beautiful veneer sheets by this awesome machine. These sheets get pampered next, dried, checked for any flaws, and made absolutely perfect. The entire operation is fully automated, necessitating only a single operator. Mind-blowing, right? Speechless. That's the only word for it. The Volvo FH1665, a titan against the blizzard, refusing to yield. This isn't just a truck in the snow. It's a masterpiece of defiance, a testament to the human spirit battling the elements. Breathtaking. Absolutely perfect. Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Twong, and welcome. This is my office and the amazing team behind the scenes. We're working hard to bring you the best content possible. Thank you all for watching and supporting the channel. It really means a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.